Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Gonzalez and I'm here to bring you a new topic. This time, researchers from Letonia, University of Canoe, they have found a new product, a new substance that actually gonna substitute the bones. Very interesting because osteoarthritis is a degenerative disease of the bones that affect 10% of the men above 60 years old and about 80% of the women above 60 years old. This is a very interesting research and hopefully will work for the future because osteoarthritis is a debilitating disease for our bones. For these reasons, researchers are working hard how to treat the osteoarthritis in a different way to what usually we are doing. So far, osteoarthritis is treated with a replacement of some of the joint, like the big joints, knee replacement, maybe some of you are familiar with, but now having the new bone formation and new cartilage formation, that's gonna be another era in the development of the treatment of this debilitating disease. I hope that you enjoyed this topic. This is Dr. Gonzalez, and I'm gonna bring you more news. Please feel free to sign in our YouTube channel, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.